Just start engine and then turn it off. I'll let you know to turn it off. All right, here we go. Moment of truth. Start the engine. Okay, off now. Again.
Sounds good, bro.
Yeah, it sounds good.
I told you.
All right, guys. Finally, we got the cover, upper cover. On both sides is on. Bolted down. The center support mount is bolted down. Everything is good. All right. Now we're gonna be torquing this crank bolt. So it's all set up here now. It's all ready to go. There's a crank pulley holder right here, wedged to that arm, and there's the 19 mil long extension. This is a 47 foot-pounds, and then we're gonna do 60-degree after torquing it. So 47 plus 60-degree. Go ahead. More. Yeah, good.
Done?
Yeah, done.
Okay, done.
All right, and then we're gonna do 60-degree additional. So we're just gonna. All right. So see this arm right here. It's 0. And then when you push this down, this will go to 60.
60, yeah.
So when you push it down, I'll let you know.
Okay.
So go ahead, down. More. Bit more.
Wait.
One more. There you go. Last one.
Okay.
Okay, good now.
Good now?
Yeah, perfect. That's 60.
60.
So 47 foot-pounds and then 60-degree right after. So that's how you torque this crank bolt on a cord, 03 to 07, I believe. So it's done. Yeah, that's it. Serpentine belt, brand new installed. Watch that video. Engine mounts, passenger side, torque to spec, all the bolts. You just need to put this ground right here on that 10 mil bolt. Don't forget to put that ground, okay? Other than that, this is perfect. Did a little bit of inspection underneath the vehicle, suspension, brakes, oil leak. There's a lot of problem down there. I'm gonna let the guy know that needs a CV axle, lower bolt joint. Wheels are loose. There's clunk and there's like squeaky sound. Quick struts, needs a new one. This is like 200 something thousand K, 280,000 Ks on this, so needs to be repaired. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up, like the video.